Hello, didn't see you there. Alright, I have already put the lash mullet. Alright, I'm gonna be going in with the beautiful. Okay, I'm using my sharp tape. I'm gonna be setting that with my airspun loose fat. I can ignore the rest of the pat, and I have powder. And for the lower lashes, we're gonna be using the Arbonix. You know what? It's a mascara. Oh my god, I just got off my eyebrow. You gotta eat the booty like groceries. Rise and shine. Now we're done. Oh, okay. I'm not, oh my god. I lost my lashes. Come on. Oh, it broke. Just squirted. Okay, so, oh, that did, It's gonna go through his pee hole. I'm crying. I lost my voice and I'm crying. For our next product, it is on me. What the hell is that? That's a little too much. Oh. Hey, Dad. Our next product is the Piper Wide Natural. This is falling off. That was, hold on. Always gotta be fierce. Because it does, oh, right on you, at you, 3D. We are learning together. Okay, and I am using the, do you hear the cat in the background? First video. But that's okay, this is a learning process. Boop-a-dee-whoop, dee-scoop, poop-dee-boop, poop, poop-dee-whoop. Okay.